This video demonstrates easy slide operator handle replacement on an Impervia casement. The replacement process on an Impervia awning is similar. Unlock the window by lifting the lock lever. Open the window to the fully open position by sliding the easy slide operator. Remove the screen by releasing the screen clips and removing the screen from the window frame. Place the screen in a safe location. Depending on the vintage use, a small flat blade screwdriver or a 3/32" Allen wrench to loosen the set screw on the easy slide operator handle. Lift the handle off to remove. Position the replacement handle onto the slide operator tab. Tighten the set screw. Reinstall the screen and push each clip to seat it into the frame. Close and lock the window.